Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by turning the TV on and grabbing the remote. This step gets you into the menus fast. Press Home and navigate to Settings. I want you to open General or All settings right away. This location holds the TV idle, screensaver, or home screen settings depending on your model. Knowing where to look saves time. Once done, move to the Display or Screensaver subsection so you can start changing the active screensaver option. Now you choose the actual screensaver. Open the screensaver menu inside General or Display. You'll see presets, any uploaded images, and sometimes app-driven options. Preview each so you know how they behave. Make a selection and then adjust parameters like timeout delay, brightness, or shuffle. These settings control when and how the screensaver appears. If you want personal photos, choose the Upload or My Photos option. It sets the why, personalization, and burn-in prevention behind your choice. Finish by saving changes and exiting settings, then test by letting the TV sit past the configured timeout so you can confirm the screensaver engages. If it doesn't start, restart the TV and check for a firmware update because outdated software often blocks features. Make sure any HDMI device isn't forcing active input override. Turn off CEC features if needed. If problems persist, reset the screensaver settings or contact LG support for model-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.